Yeah.
So we are watering our plant, the plant that we've planted. Watering it for the first time today. Our tree is going to grow, it's still small. So and other vegetables in the garden, we need trees, we need trees. So we are watering our garden here. Watering. We are making sure that everything gets water. So because we need as you can see, the place is getting greener. It's getting greener now. It's getting greener. We need plants so that our soil remains green, so that we avoid soil erosion. And these plants are helpful. They help us to get oxygen for breathing. They also help us with food, healthy food, because the plants that we eat and the vegetables, they give us a lot of nutrients directly from the sun. So we are planting here. We are planting together. In South Africa, it's siyatshala. Yabona siyatshala la. When we are planting. Yeah, I'm watering. Everything is going to be green here. It's going to be green here. So because we want to achieve a greener South Africa, we want things to be green. Yeah.
Hmm?
Thank you very much. This is stop.